Malta, a picturesque island nation in the Mediterranean, offers an array of activities for all kinds of travelers. With its rich history, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant culture, Malta is a top destination for those seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration. Here are the top 10 things to do in Malta, each providing a unique experience that showcases the island's diverse offerings. Number 10. Discover Valletta, the majestic capital city. Valletta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is not only the political heart of Malta, but also a vibrant cultural hub brimming with history and architectural splendor. Meander through its charming narrow streets lined with Baroque buildings, and immerse yourself in the city's rich heritage by visiting iconic landmarks such as St. Valletta is also home to a wide array of museums, including the National Museum of Archaeology, showcasing prehistoric artifacts, and the National War Museum, which narrates the gripping history of Malta's strategic military significance, especially during World War II. Number 9. Step back in time at the Megalithic Temples of Malta. Malta is a treasure trove of prehistoric wonders, and its megalithic temples are among the oldest freestanding structures on the planet. On the main island, the Hypogeum and Najdra temples, perched on a dramatic clifftop overlooking the sea, provide a haunting glimpse into Malta's ancient past. Visiting these sites not only allows you to connect with Malta's distant history, but also offers an opportunity to marvel at the engineering prowess of its early inhabitants. Number 8. Unwind on Malta's stunning beaches. Malta is home to some of the most picturesque beaches in the Mediterranean, perfect for those seeking relaxation or adventure. Nearby, Mellieħa Bay is one of the largest sandy beaches on the island, ideal for families and water sports lovers, while the famous Blue. Whether you're looking to enjoy a peaceful day lounging in the sun, embark on a thrilling boat trip, or dive into the vibrant underwater world, Malta's beaches cater to all tastes. Number 7. Explore the Blue Grotto, a natural wonder. Nestled along Malta's southern coastline, the Blue Grotto is a breathtaking collection of sea caves renowned for their ethereal blue waters. A boat tour offers a chance to venture into the caves and experience their beauty up close, with the option to marvel at the stunning reflections on the water's surface. The area is also a top destination for diving enthusiasts, offering an unforgettable underwater experience amidst vibrant marine life and crystal clear visibility. Number 6. Wander through Mdina, the timeless, silent city. Mdina, Malta's ancient capital, is a captivating journey through history. Known as the Silent City, this medieval walled town offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling modern world, with its labyrinth of narrow, cobbled streets, charming piazzas, and well-preserved buildings. As you stroll along the city's fortified walls, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and the distant coastline. With its timeless atmosphere and rich history, Mdina provides a truly immersive experience, transporting visitors to an era long past. Number 5. Explore the remains of the Azure Window Gozo. Although the iconic Azure Window on the island of Gozo tragically collapsed in 2017, the area surrounding it continues to be a mesmerizing destination for nature lovers and photographers. The surrounding coastline still offers unparalleled beauty, with rugged cliffs, hidden coves, and crystal clear waters, making it a must-visit for those seeking the natural allure of Malta's landscapes. Number 4. Embark on a boat trip to Comino and the Blue Lagoon. Comino, a serene and unspoiled island nestled between Malta and Gozo, is best known for its stunning Blue Lagoon, a paradise with crystal clear waters that are perfect for swimming, kayaking, or simply basking in the sun on its smooth, rocky shores. Several boat tours operate daily, offering an opportunity to explore Comino's rugged coastline, secluded coves, and tranquil beauty. The island itself is car-free and devoid of large-scale development, making it an ideal escape for those looking for peace, natural beauty, and an unhurried pace of life. Number 3. Discover the mystical Hypogeum of Saflieni. The Hypogeum of Saflieni is an extraordinary underground complex that offers a fascinating glimpse into Malta's prehistoric past. Dating back to around 4000 BC, this UNESCO World Heritage Site served as both a burial site and a sanctuary, with its intricate chambers, remarkable carvings, and unique acoustics that have intrigued archaeologists for centuries. Due to its delicate nature, access to the Hypogeum is limited to a small number of visitors per day, so booking in advance is essential for anyone wishing to experience this mysterious and awe-inspiring site. Number 2. Explore the historic 3 cities. Just across the Grand Harbor from Valletta, the 3 cities, Vittoriosa, Sengleia, and Cospicua, offer a step back in time to Malta's storied past. Vittoriosa, also known as Birgu, in particular, played a pivotal role during the Great Siege of 1565, and visitors can delve into its fascinating history by exploring landmarks such as the Inquisitor's Palace, which offers insight into the island's ecclesiastical history, Angelo, which once guarded the entrance to the Grand Harbor. Walking through these ancient streets provides a truly immersive experience of Malta's glorious past. Number 1. Savor the flavors of Maltese cuisine. Maltese cuisine is a delicious blend of Mediterranean flavors and multicultural influences, shaped by centuries of trade and conquest. Malta's rich coastline ensures an abundance of fresh seafood, with dishes such as lampuki dorado and aljada fish soup being local favorites. Don't miss out on trying cannoli, a traditional Maltese dessert made of crispy pastry tubes filled with sweet ricotta, often flavored with chocolate or citrus zest. Whether dining in the heart of Valletta or along the coastal towns, Maltese cuisine is sure to leave a lasting impression on your taste buds. Conclusion: whether you're soaking up the island's ancient history, relaxing on its stunning beaches, or enjoying the rich local cuisine, Malta offers a diverse range of activities for every traveler. Its small size means it's possible to explore many of its most popular destinations in a short time, making it a fantastic place for a getaway. By exploring these top 10 activities, you'll be sure to experience the best Malta has to offer. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads.